What if I told you that the water you use to clean your toilet bowl every single day is coming from a tank filled with mold, rust, bacteria, and slimy buildup? What if the reason your toilet smells bad isn't the bowl, but the disgusting water being flushed from a tank you've never cleaned? I opened my toilet tank for the first time in years, and what I saw was so revolting that I almost called a plumber to replace the entire toilet. Stay with me to the end, because what you're about to see will make you want to check your toilet tank immediately. The hidden filth we never think about. Here's a question. When was the last time you opened the lid of your toilet tank and looked inside? Not the bowl. The tank. That ceramic box behind your toilet that holds the water. If you're like 99% of people, the answer is never. We clean our toilet bowls religiously. We scrub, we disinfect, we make sure they're spotless. But we completely forget about the tank. Out of sight, out of mind, right? Except here's the problem. That tank is where all your flush water comes from. And if the tank is disgusting, you're essentially cleaning your toilet bowl with contaminated water. I discovered this horrible truth completely by accident. My toilet started running continuously, wasting water. I had to open the tank to check the flapper valve. And when I lifted that lid and looked inside, I was genuinely horrified. The water was cloudy. There was black mold growing on the walls, rust stains everywhere, a slimy biofilm coating the bottom, mineral deposits so thick they looked like stalactites. I immediately thought, this disgusting water is what flushes my toilet every single day? I felt sick. And then I felt angry that nobody ever talks about cleaning toilet tanks. It's like this dirty secret that everyone ignores. The shocking reality inside. Let me describe what I found in detail, because you need to understand how bad this gets. The inside walls of the tank were covered in black and orange mold, not just spots, completely covered. The metal components were corroded and rusty, flaking rust particles into the water. The bottom had this thick, slimy layer that felt like jelly when I touched it. That's biofilm, a colony of bacteria. The fill valve had mineral deposits so thick it was affecting water flow. And the smell when I got close? Musty, stagnant, disgusting. This is what accumulates when water sits in a dark, enclosed space for years without cleaning. Minerals from hard water, bacteria from the municipal water supply, mold spores from the air, rust from metal parts, the complete cleaning process. Here's exactly how I cleaned it, and you can do this too. First, turn off the water supply valve behind the toilet. Flush to empty the tank. Use a sponge to soak up remaining water at the bottom. Now you can actually work inside the empty tank. I put on gloves because this was genuinely gross. Using white vinegar in a spray bottle, I sprayed down all the interior surfaces. Vinegar kills mold and dissolves mineral deposits. For the really stubborn buildup, I made a paste with baking soda and vinegar and scrubbed with an old toothbrush. The transformation. The difference was absolutely stunning. The tank went from looking like a swamp to looking almost new. The water ran clear. The walls were white again. The components looked clean and functional. And here's what I didn't expect. My toilet bowl stayed cleaner longer after this, because the water refilling it was actually clean now, not contaminated. The persistent smell I'd attributed to the bowl being dirty was gone, because it was actually coming from the tank all along. Why this matters. This isn't just about aesthetics. A dirty toilet tank can affect your toilet's performance, waste water through leaks or running, and contribute to that persistent bathroom odor you can't eliminate no matter how much you clean. It's a hidden source of contamination that nobody thinks about until something goes wrong. Now there's the disgusting truth about toilet tanks and how to clean them properly. Vinegar, baking soda, scrubbing, and regular maintenance. If this made you realize you need to check your toilet tank right now, hit that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more home maintenance truths nobody talks about. Share this with everyone you know, because I guarantee their toilet tanks are just as gross. Comment if you've ever looked inside your toilet tank. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, stay informed, stay clean, and maintain what you can't see, not just what you can.